Let's explore an important concept in cybersecurity known as the cyber kill chain, also referred to as the cyber attack chain. At its core, this security model provides a structured framework that outlines the various phases of a cyber attack. Initially developed by Lockheed Martin, this model draws its inspiration from military operations. The cyber kill chain systematically describes the progression of a network breach, starting from the preliminary planning and reconnaissance activities through to the achievement of the attacker's ultimate objectives. Understanding these attack stages enables organizations to develop effective strategies for preventing and detecting malicious activities within their networks. From a security and compliance perspective, this framework proves particularly valuable in preparing organizations against common digital threats, including ransomware attacks, network intrusions, data breaches, and advanced persistent threats (APTs). The military origins of this model are significant to note. The framework adapts the traditional military operation structure, which follows a systematic approach: target identification, force deployment, attack authorization, and target neutralization. In practice, this military methodology has been effectively translated into the cybersecurity domain, providing security professionals with a structured approach to understanding and countering cyber threats. Let's explore the distinct stages that comprise the cyber kill chain. The sequence begins with reconnaissance, followed by weaponization, delivery, exploitation, installation, command and control, and finally, actions on objectives. It's important to note that depending on the specific vulnerability and exploit method utilized, several of these stages may occur almost simultaneously. Initially, let's focus on passive reconnaissance, which represents the first stage of the kill chain. At its core, passive reconnaissance involves intelligence gathering through open-source intelligence, OSINT activities. This approach operates by collecting information from publicly available sources without directly engaging with the target system or network. The key characteristic of passive reconnaissance is its non-intrusive nature. During this phase, attackers gather intelligence while maintaining complete anonymity, ensuring the target remains unaware of the surveillance activities. This process typically involves, from a security perspective, passive reconnaissance can yield significant information such as employee email addresses, social media account details, various forms of organizational intelligence, surveillance data collected from a safe distance. What sets passive reconnaissance apart is its emphasis on stealth and non-interaction. The primary goal during this phase is to gather as much valuable information as possible while leaving no trace of the intelligence gathering activities. This methodical approach to information gathering serves as a foundation for subsequent stages in the kill chain, providing attackers with crucial insights that can be leveraged in more active phases of the attack sequence.